How did this happen?
Mira que elegante pisto Prada con rulero. Echa gasolina para que se prenda el cuero. Para tú mentirme, estudiarte la primero.
Honey, let's go and sleep. I might just have to eat that right now.
I would like to take a quick moment to thank Nordgreen for sponsoring this video. Nordgreen is a Scandinavian watch brand who I have partnered with in the past, and they focus on creating sustainable, environmentally conscious watches with a minimalist design. Their timeless design makes them suitable for all genders and generations, regardless of trends. All their watch straps are produced with environmentally friendly methods to reduce chemical pollutions. This pink one I got is made of authentic Italian leather. They also have several vegan leather straps, which are made of blended cotton and polyester. All of their packaging is made of FSC certified cardboard and upcycled felt as well. And they have a really awesome giving back program. Each year they partner with 3 NGOs that customers can choose from to support through the purchase of their watch. With each watch purchased, Nordgreen donates 2 months of clean water, 2 months of education, or saves 200 square feet of rainforest, which is really quite amazing. So if you're interested in purchasing a watch, I have a 15% off discount in the description box of this video. Thank you again to Nordgreen. Today's concept is secondary colors. Oh, big seed.
Bottom of the column on left-hand column on 1038, and were it not that 31. So these things have some of these passages have extraordinary histories.
I found a candle in the depths of my cabinet in the bathroom the other day.
Time to try 16 different M&Ms. Yeah, that's a lot of M&Ms.
Today I finally got an exciting package in the mail. Wow. So pretty.